Alright y'all, welcome back to a video. Today we're gonna fix my Camaro. The engine fan is like, the coolant's not reading. So I had to go in and unplug the battery from the trunk. So now we have to open it through this little keyhole right there. And then go crawl in the trunk, open the trunk. And then we can plug the battery back up and hopefully it fixes. Alright, we got the key. Aftermath right there. We got her open right here. You just want to know what it looks like. Looks like that. You just gotta move the handle like that. It'll come out. Alright, now we gotta crawl back in the back seat. Pull that lever, which I can't get to. Here we go. There's the gorgeous trunk. Oh. You can see some tools. You gotta pull the lever, and then we will fix it. Now, where's the lever? There she is. Alright, I'll get back to you. Alright, I'm back. Here's the battery. Unplugged. Socket wrench. Battery. Socket wrench. Battery. Alright, battery is back. Plugged up. Alright, now we're going to start her up. Oh, it's going to make us do some stuff. Yep. You have to roll up the windows. I think. Something like that. Yep. I know. Turn off. Open and close driver window. Yep. Dismiss. Now the coolant's reading. Start her up. There we go. That's how you fix it right there. Get a cold start. That's how you fix a Camaro problem. Now to get this thing back here is quite a challenge. So I'm going to try and show you how to do it while doing it while filming. So you're going to open this all the way. Alright, keep it open and then move it to the side. See how it moves a little? Open to the side. And these two claws right here, you're going to slide them on. Just slide them while the door is open, and it should fit on just like that. And just like that, she's on nice and tight, and that's how you fix it.